Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies in the world of software development. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial aspect of modern application development: architecting for scalability. As applications generate more data and face increasing demand, scalability has become a buzzword with good reason. We'll explore why scalability matters, the downsides of neglecting it, and key strategies for building highly scalable applications. So let's dive in. Scalability is the ability of an application to handle more data, more users, and more demand without compromising performance, reliability, or security. But why has scalability grabbed the attention of the masses? Well, in today's tech landscape, applications are generating enormous amounts of data due to new technologies like cloud computing, big data analysis, and the Internet of Things. In highly competitive industries, scalability is a crucial factor for organizations seeking an edge over their rivals. To stay ahead, businesses must offer efficient and reliable services that can handle peak periods of high traffic. By designing scalable applications, organizations can meet rising customer demands while ensuring uninterrupted availability. Neglecting scalability can have severe consequences for an application. Let's explore some of the downsides. Some of the downsides of neglecting scalability: poor performance, downtime, security risks, higher costs, inflexibility. Inadequate scalability can lead to poor performance, resulting in slow loading times, frequent crashes, and a negative user experience. This not only damages your brand but also leads to high operational costs due to urgent fixes and system upgrades. Insufficient scalability may cause your application to surpass server capacities, leading to potential downtime. This downtime can have significant financial consequences, as seen with examples like Costco and Walmart losing millions of dollars during website crashes. Security risks. Scalability plays a crucial role in an application's ability to fend off online attackers. Lack of scalability makes implementing effective security protocols challenging, leaving your app vulnerable to cybercriminals. Higher costs. Without scalability, businesses must invest more in hardware and infrastructure as demand grows. This can pose a significant challenge, especially for startups and small businesses. Inflexibility. Inability to scale hinders an application's adaptability to changing market conditions and consumer needs, limiting business expansion possibilities and overlooking new opportunities. Key strategies for building highly scalable applications. Now that we understand the importance of scalability and its potential pitfalls, let's explore some key strategies for building highly scalable applications: distributed architecture, load balancing, caching, auto-scaling, database partitioning. Distributed architecture. By breaking down an application into smaller, autonomous components that run on multiple machines, a distributed architecture enables workload distribution and ensures increased traffic can be managed effectively. Let's dive into load balancing. Load balancing involves distributing the workload evenly across multiple servers to prevent any single server from becoming overloaded. This helps maintain application availability and responsiveness. Let's dive into caching. Incorporating caching into the programming strategy enhances an application's functionality. By storing commonly used data in memory, it reduces the need for repeated access to slower storage systems, such as databases, improving scalability and overall performance. Auto-scaling allows an application to automatically adjust its resources based on current demand. By setting up rules to spin up or down instances based on thresholds, an application can handle increased traffic and higher demand without manual intervention. Let's move on to database partitioning. Database partitioning, also known as sharding. This technique involves fragmenting a database into independent parts allocated to various servers. Database partitioning mitigates workload on individual servers, leading to improved performance and scalability. Scalability is a critical building block for modern applications. It enables seamless handling of user requests, efficient management of data volumes, and processing heavier traffic footprints. With the right tools and strategies, scaling up becomes effortless. If you need assistance with architecting scalable applications, IrisLogic's team of domain experts and architects can help you strategize, plan, and execute scalable hybrid cloud solutions. Contact us today to ensure your applications are ready for the demands of the future. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this exploration of architecting for scalability insightful. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.